Hello everybody and welcome back to another series. This is a new series where I'm playing the childhood. I played like 2003, I think 2002. Breath of Fire on Super Famicom, or the Western is called SNES, Super Nintendo. Well, this game is my childhood game, RPG. Childhood JRPG. I know there will be a lot of lost where do I go kind of game, so I'll try to understand the dialogue or everything of it. So start the game. Okay. uh, I guess this is the name is the best I can produce. Yeah. Oh, oh, wake up, warrior. Disaster has struck. We need the power of the dragon. Alright. You'll perish if you don't wake up. Ah, he was sleeping, alright. The village is engulfed in flames. Everything is burning. Hurry, we must go. Alright. Okay. Alright, there's a run button now. Nice. Lupa, stop. Let me put it out. Rade de cabra cohuscus po. If my magic can barely douse this fire, I must be getting on in years. Okay, wait. Let me check on it. Okay. This place is safe from the flames for now. The fire is so intense, it doesn't seem that natural. We woke up surrounded by flames. What have we done? What have we done to deserve this? We seem to be safe here, but for how long, I don't know. Okay. As long as we have Sarah, we'll be alright. Her magic will protect us. They're here. The dark dragons are outside the village. We're surrounded. So the dragon brood have finally cast their upon us. Word says that Emperor Zorgon vowed to conquer the world. They must be here to wipe out the light dragon brood. Damn Zorgon, that evil fool. But why now after all this time? Zorgon must fear the light dragon, meaning that he doesn't realize our Sargon. We can't just sit and wait for death. We must act now. If we can escape, there's only one thing left to do. Fight. I will. I must use my magic against the forces of evil. Let's go. Wait. The odds are impossible. We're all weak and untrained. Our small group will be devastated by their powerful army. But we have to do something. Let's show them the spirit of the light dragon. We're all ready for what comes next. Let's go, Sarah. No, I will face what's next on my own. What are you doing? I've turned him to stone so that the fire won't affect him. Everyone remember our mission. As descendants of the light dragon, they'll find and kill us, stone or not. Wait, why? Okay, I am included as well. Why does it have to be you? We've seen enough turmoil. I can take care of the dark dragons. Be strong, little brother. When you become a warrior, you'll bring peace to this world. I wish you all well. May the power of the light dragon prevail. Okay. So, calm, sir. Be calm. Hey, someone's there. She's one of those with the power of the dragon. Take her to the general. Scouting will resume once she's been dealt with. Forward. Sir, we've captured one of the Night Dragon brood. You've set our peaceful village ablaze. What's your purpose here? You're cute when you're mad. We're here by the Imperial Order of Lord Zorgon. Our mission to eliminate the Light Dragons. You got that? We're only doing our jobs, Missy. You hear? Okay. Whoa. You brace my home to the ground. Wow, we've got a live one here. Quiet. Lord Zorgon wanted no chance of interference with his plans. Nothing personal. We will stop you. I don't think so. We know the locations of all the goddess keys. The goddess keys? Cute and a good scrapper. Too bad you're not on our side. Back off. What do you tend to do with Miria? This is the end. Take this. You didn't even flinch. Oh, come on, come now. Is that all you've got? Ha 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 ha. Well, she's dead. When the dragon brood were at the peak of their power, a goddess of desire arose. The goddess of Miria granted wishes. The dragons fought each other for her power. Miria encouraged the fighting, watching the elation as the war escalated. When the world was at the brink of destruction, a warrior stepped forward. He fought against Miria with his 7 companions and locked her up using 6 keys. These goddess keys were scattered throughout the world and hidden away. They really raise it to the foundation, huh? The light dragon balanced the power of the brood, and peace reign again. What the hell? And peace reign again. What the hell? Okay, what the... What's going on? What happened to Sarah? She must have saved us. Elder, shouldn't we fight for her sake? We've renounced the dragons and all they entail. Their battles aren't ours. But what about Sarah? Did her sacrifice mean nothing? We still have the pride of the light brood. We must focus on our survival. Soon this place will be in ruins. What are you saying? Look. The warrior of the dragon is only a myth. So are our hopes of striking back? Lupa. I know I should try and stop you, but also know that I can't. Esma. Here, consider this our parting gift. It isn't much, but you should use it to buy what you need. Okay. Save 300Z. We must remain here. Come back anytime you need rest. Sargon will be brought to justice soon. I have faith in you, warrior. Let's save. I am the dragon god. He who watches over those undertaking the hero's journey. Thank you. Your journey has been recorded. Good luck. Okay. Okay, weapons first. Only this item escape the fire. Do you need anything? Okay. Okay, short. Okay, let's get the silk later on. Only this item escape the fire. Do you need anything? Oh. Okay. Let's grind for now. I know for sure. Okay, let's auto battle it. I never thought I would play this game again. I was still a wee lad on that time playing this game. I don't know what's happening at first, but I enjoy the game a lot because of the adventure aspect on it. Oh no. For now, let's run. Okay. This the imperial capital Skand is beyond the ocean. Steel yourself for a long journey, Lupa. You look exhausted. Get some sleep, dearie. Okay. You must remain here. Come back anytime you need rest. Yeah, of course, I need it. Thank you. Okay. Okay. For now, I will not play the second Sword Cup story. Then I don't know about the other game. Okay. Okay. Wait, what? Re-record. Sorry about the... I'm just looking for any... Okay. Dang it. Okay. Would you like to trade in? Oh. Okay. Let's sell it. Okay, 25. The hell, dude, I forgot how to how to bring up the how to bring this up. Okay. Becky, finish. Another time to grind again. Okay. I just need to upgrade to longsword, I think. What's the name? Just need to upgrade on that. Oh man. Okay, another town. Another town or castle. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Please be defeated. Please defeated. Yes. Okay. Take your time and you will succeed. Wait, what? Status. Okay. Let's buy some potions. Okay. Let's buy some potions for the grinding thingy. Then herb, nice. Ew. Okay. There you go. We need to grind and thingy. Level 3. Nice. Oh, what is this? Okay. Okay. Oh wait, what? The hell happened? Okay, nice. Dead. Okay. Dead. Okay. Now. Okay. Welcome to Cantabile. The fortress town, it used to be part of Nanay Kingdom, but the royal city was taken by the Dark Dragons. The Imperial forces have invaded our kingdom. It's like we're out of the frying pan and into the fire. The fortress has been occupied by a putrid monster. What do you think, traveler? I think we've gotta fight for Nanay. But when I tried to sneak in, the bastards kicked me out. You want me to go up against the monster? You're insane. Well, depends. Okay, let's check around. There's any people here. Okay. Okay. Yes. Picture has been recorded. Thank you. Goodbye. What are we going to do about this stinking monster? We need a true ward to drive that creature from the fortress. I don't fear the Dark Brood, even if they conquered my kingdom. I will never lose hope. Okay. Let's try defeat that dragon. Then ow. Okay, nice. Okay, drop the clean water. HP, AP status were fully recovered. Nice. Doesn't have any magic to use. Okay. Nothing yet, but there will be for sure in the near future. 10. Okay, level 4. Nice. Oh, wait. What? How many money? Oh, nice. Receive 70Z. Nice. Okay, 140. 140 Zenny. Okay. Oh, what the hell, dude? Lupa drink. I drank water. HP, APN status were fully recovered. Oh my god, dude. Really? Well then. Dang it. Okay. How much money do I have now? Oh, nice. 300. Wait, how... Okay. Let's grind it. Let's grind here. I think I need to grind here. I need to grind for the better thingies. For now, let's check on the... Okay. Oh, long, nice. Oh, okay, alright. Understand now. Ew. I forgot to reserve herb. Alright. We have a new... I have a new sword. Okay, nothing useful here. Okay. Bracer. Okay, bracer. L. Oh, okay. Mud flood. Okay. L. There. 10. Silver. Ah, okay. I have it. Okay, not again this game. Okay, stupid me. Okay, let's get back. Now. Level 5. Okay, let's go back for now. Okay. I didn't buy any anti-potion. Ay, anti-poison. I knew it. There you go. I'm dead. Okay, I'm dead. Okay. Dang it. Ow. Ow. Okay, let's go back to the village and get some. Okay. And kill some monsters. Okay, dang it, this. Oh man, poison. The worst debuff I ever status. Oh my god. Okay, okay. Oh my god, again. Dang. Bang. Okay. Ow. Okay. I hate this. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Okay, let's exit, then get some antidote for me to fight against those idiots. Okay. Point. Okay. Okay. It's dusk. Oh. Wait, what? Bronze? Okay. How much is the... Oh. I hope it's better. Okay. Sell. Okay, I need that antidote. Okay. Oh, shh. Let's save later. Look exhausted. Get some sleep, dearie. Okay. Okay, I will make some more chocolate drink. Use to tell me your story. Yes. Here has been recorded. Good luck. Okay. I will be back and stop the recording for now. So I need to make some chocolate milk. Okay, I'm back. I finished my drink. Okay, let's save. Yes. Okay. Yes. Oh, a little bit better, I think. Don't you worry. We will kill that guy. I mean that monster. Okay. We need to kill that monster. Okay, nice. Okay. Okay, nice. I don't think that the longsword is better. The bronze. Let's speedrun it. Oh man. Okay. Oop. Alright. We need to speedrun this. Okay. Okay. What the hell? Completely recovered. The trigger darkness. Okay. It's fine. Okay. What brings a whelp like you to my fortress? You want to challenge me, huh? Slimeless human, you think you can drive me out? Go ahead and try. Okay. Thank you for that though. Ow. Okay. Okay. Thank you for that. Ew. Okay. Let's just attack it. Oof. Okay. 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 Attack. Heal. Thank you for that. Stupid. Ew. We need to defeat it. Tin. Tin. Shh. Oh, nice. Miss. Oh. Dead. Blib seems alright. Blib seems alright. Oh, it's really. There you go. Oh, I underestimated your strength, Warrior. Beyond the XP. 156. Zenith. Oh, level 6, nice. Oh, level 7 again. Okay, level 8. 3 levels. The foul air is filtering out and fresh air is coming into the fortress. Let's take some herb. Okay, 150C. Okay. Okay. Finished. You've defeated the monster. You're not just some ordinary wanderer. I take it. Who are you? That scar. I've seen. It's like before. But what? Sakes alive. The Dark Dragons must have found the quick control. Your name is Lupa. Lupa, I beseech you. In the depths of Nanay Palace lies Gaia Temple. Legends tell that the quick control can be found there. Please find it and put a stop to the earthquakes. Here? Okay. Okay, let's go and find the thing you are saying to me. Okay. Oh, wait, what? Nothing. Let's use the quick control. Depths of the palace, right? You said. Okay, let's check the. Okay. Shh. Okay. Shh. Justin, shut up. The neighbors are asleep now, though. Sleep now. Lassie, shut up. Lassie, baby. Come here. My name is beseech you. In the depths of Nanay Palace lies Gaia Temple. Legends tell that the quick control can be found there. Please find it and put a stop to the earthquakes. Wait, what? Gaia Temple. Where is that thing though? Gaia Temple. Here? Nothing much, but okay, let's end this episode. Thank you for watching, everybody, and tomorrow I think I will continue or later I will continue another game to record, so stay tuned to that, and bye bye everybody. Thank you for watching.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know